Hi everyone, we're back with the Feima 100n home roaster, and today we're going to be playing around with some 50-gram roasts using the built-in thermometer. I've got the gas off right now. Let's set it on 1, the air on 1. Let's go ahead and charge. Start the timer. I believe that in the specifications of the machine are for 50 grams. Take a look. You can see the thermocouple in this, and it's getting some beam contact, but not a lot. I suppose you could bend down the thermocouple. You got another thermocouple, that is. Alright, well, let's go ahead and turn the gas on low. Now I want to see how far we can roast on low. Like I was saying before, the turning point is actually probably around the minute mark. With the gas off, it goes pretty much down to a minute 30. I'm going to run this. I've got three of these 50-gram batches set up, so I can run this multiple times. Right now I'm just flying blind, deciding whether or not to pump the gas up to high. I think maybe for this video we will, let's just see what happens. I'm going to turn the camera off for right now. Okay, we're back and we're at 120 degrees at 4 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and turn the gas up. We hit 5 minutes. We're at 145. At 150 at 513. Let's see where we hit 160. We're getting the turning point right now. I can smell it from behind the camera here. We had 160 at 536. That's pretty fast. Let's go ahead and increase the air to 2. 170 at 6. So that sounds like about a 20-degree rate of rise per minute. .180 at 622. I'm going to go ahead and go to 3. I'm going to turn the gas down at 190. Starting to smell now. All right, start the first crack timer. Well, it looks like we're stalling out here. Let's stop everything. All right, so based on first impressions of this initial 50-gram roast, well, the times seem okay. You could even go shorter. The start of the first crack temperature was much lower than my previous roasts. I think we're getting more impact from the environmental temperature. And at the very end of the roast, we seem to have lost momentum. So we'll take a look at it over there under the light, but it looks okay. It may need some fine tuning here. So let's move over and take a look at the roast under some better light. Okay, we're back under the light. Here's the 50-gram roast. Looks good from this view. I'm going to blow it up. Here's the enlarged view. Looks pretty successful, at least from this standpoint. Next I'll try hooking up the data logger and see how that goes.